Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about cattails. And we found this little batch of cattails by this truck stop here. So we're going to show you a few things. Now these cattail leaves can actually be peeled off of here. And you can use them to weave things like a basket if you're out in the wild and need something to carry. You could peel these off and weave them to make things to carry fruit in. They're actually even edible if you get the really young ones, and I don't see any down in there. But if you get real close, see, it's really dried out here because they've been having a drought. But they're like little shoots down closer to the water level that are supposed to be very tender and nice. Now this is getting too late in the year, but when these are smaller and green, you can eat those. We always boiled them and ate them like corn on the cob. You can also roast them. And we're going to move the camera and I'll show you some bigger ones because they also have other uses. So we'll be back in a second while we set up the camera down at the other end of the patch. Okay, when these parts here turn brown, now see, these are still, because usually you can go like this and they'll fluff up into, thing is you can pick those and take them with you like on backpacking, and they make really good fire starters, that fluff that keeps them up in there. And if need be, you could even use them to pack a wound if you got cut or something. I forgot to bring something to dig with. Yeah, they're too hard. But you can also eat the roots. You can dig down and eat the tubers. You dry them and grind them into flour, and they are extremely productive for flour. An acre, which I don't know how often you'd find an acre's worth of cattails, but an acre of cattail tubers can yield over 3 tons of flour. So Native Americans use these quite a lot for making flour for the winter and everything, and they're a very good source of nutrition. So anyway, that's a little bit about these, and we'll just have to make other videos in the other parts of the season to show you how to actually cook up stuff. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you later.